And now, ladies and gentlemen, to bring our day to a rousing end, the combined band of 6 and 7 Scots, and the pipes and drums of 7 Scots and 1 Scot will beat retreat. Beating retreat is another of those military necessities which have been recycled for a new ceremonial use. And today, although it used to have a different use when the call was beaten to call outlying soldiers in at the end of a day's fighting, today retreat has 2 functions. It's the occasion for mounting the night guard, and in its ceremonial form it's when military bands, often augmented by pipes and drums, can put on an impressive display for spectators. To beat retreat for us today, please welcome the combined band of 6 and 7 Scots under the bandmaster of the Highland Band, Coloson Kieran Forsyth, as they march on to Kenneth Orford's response to the German Kaiser Wilhelm II calling the British Expeditionary Force in the First World War contemptible. This is Great Little Army.
Band, rolls, quick, march!